In this video, we'll be showing you how you can track emails sent from your website. First, log in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, head to Reports and then select Email Tracker. You can use the search functionality in the Manage menu to locate emails by message ID, by email start and end dates, customer ID, customer first and last name, customer email, or who it's sent by. Here we're going to use a selection of dates and then click on the search button. All emails sent in that time period will now be visible. Clicking on the email ID will give further information of when it was sent, when it was delivered, and when it was opened. And clicking on the name in the To field will show you all emails sent to that particular customer. If there is a warning triangle in the delivered column, this indicates there was an issue with delivery and the customer's email address should be verified before trying to resend. Please see the FAQ in the link below regarding further information on unsubscribed and bounced emails. And that's it, you can now track emails sent from your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.